one of the last feature that we're going to be showcasing, and then we're going to be showcasing more features tomorrow, is the ability to basically, no, actually we have two more.
Yeah.
One of them, basically you'll give it a URL, it will start cloning the app. Basically here we'll give it a Dropbox website, and we're asking it to basically clone it, and it will work on it, and then it will get back to you with the results.
Yeah.
And you'll be able to see it dynamically how it's working.
So here, users have access to a web VS Code. So this is the IDE directly in the browser, so they don't have to install anything locally to be able to use this. To be able to use the BLACKBOX agent, they just need to be able to just have their browser and send the same type of commands that you typically send locally. Here we're giving it something also a bit more visual and lightweight. It's cloning the main page for Dropbox. We're gonna take a look and see how it's gonna give us a visual. Now, one key difference that you'll notice across different features, there's different levels of depth that the user can get into. So here the user can really have much more control on the agent, whereas on the outside there's a bit it's much more focusing on the visual aspect. Here it's coming up with a plan. It's going to take a few seconds, and we're going to be able to
and the reason it's taking a bit more time, like the quality of the results will be deeper, so you'll be able to see how deep the quality is.
So it would be really scanning the page that you gave it in this case, and analyzing and giving a detailed plan. Here, while this is generating, we can show you that the user pretty much has the ability to run the full app, the back end, the front end. Here we're going to let it proceed. The user can have databases here, set their entire environment variables, really work as if they're working on it locally, but just here there's a cloud. So so it's also using, here we have a browser agent that's also visiting the link that was provided to make sure that it has all the context, not just by doing a regular fetch on it. It's also checking it by visiting it from a browser agent that it opened right here. Now we have the agent already started with the implementation, and here you have also all your files that the agent is working on. You have the terminals. You can open as many terminals as you want. You have the different ports that are currently running. We're gonna get back to the current state of the agent. So it's about a few seconds from finalizing the page, and the difference in this case is that you can plug it to a backend, to a database. You can host it from here. It's not just a temporary visual that you're going to be able to see. You can continue from this point on and tell it, I want it actually to be fully functional with like upload, share, feature capability, login, add Stripe to it, add a database to it. So you can go as long as you want on this web IDE and keep working on the project. Now that I have created, let me update to include the mobile menu. Okay. So it should be in the final stages at this point. Okay, so it's now going to provide you with the link. We can open it separately. So
Can you say which one is the original one?
yeah. So here we have it like this. Same thing. Stay organized. So these are actually the original images that were pulled from the Dropbox link.
And take a look here. Basically what the agent will be doing
Yeah.
is it will spin up browser agents
Yep.
to test the work, identify issues. You see here it's saying let me improve to enhance the design, I'll update the styles.
Yep.
So basically the agent is going to be monitoring its own work